Hey guys, just another unboxing video. Something I picked up from eBay there a few weeks ago for cutting long grass. Just because I do a bit of grass cutting on the side with my normal job. It's kind of a pain when you run out of strimmer string, and this makes it easy. Is kind of sold it big on YouTube and that, or YouTube and Facebook and all those other sites there, and it looked really good. So I'm going to show you what it is now. Apologies if the video quality on this isn't great. I had to pick up a cheap camera because I couldn't find my other one. So we'll just see how this goes. Stick you over here. And see. That's the head there. It's got these swinging blades on it, which are supposed to be a lot better. They're supposedly heat treated to get them to last longer. And we'll see how we do. it actually does fairly good for what it is. It was only, I think, just under €5, and then it was €11 for shipping. Now the only problem with the shipping is they said it was located here in Ireland, but it actually came from China. So, go figure. But it works. Okay, that's it for now.